So, I want to find out much more about you.
No, you don't. Why don't you go off with your little boyfriend?
You don't know my daughter, you know?
I don't
Even
know
if she
you.
doesn't know you.
I do actually. Just like you, I can pick up things too, okay? I can pick up, you know, how his childhood was. I can pick up his fears. I can pick up what he's going to be like, what type of a man he's going to be like for me.
Okay, I want to see what you see versus what I see here.
Okay. I see a genuinely hardworking young man with ambitions who wants to be an entrepreneur, wants to get his life together, has a great education,
Absolutely.
right? Has good intentions for me.
He's lying about the education.
Why do you
What
say
did
that?
you graduate?
High school.
Oh, you
That's
see, where is the
educated.
education?
You're doing this again.
No.
You're
but I'm
doing this
just-
again.
I want to look what's going on behind, you know,
no,
behind.
no.
You always go
I'm tired
deeper
of this. I'm
and
tired
you go
of this
beyond.
every
beyond the
single
reality.
time.
You know, you have
Every
to see
time.
the truth.
You think you're the best intuitive?
Yeah, I am.
You think you know absolutely everything about
Everything.
everybody's
I know
life?
I'm the best
You think you
intuitive
know
on the planet.
What's gonna
There's
happen in the
absolutely
future for
nobody
everyone?
like me. Everything
Oh yeah?
is gonna happen.
You sure
Yeah.
about that?
I'm sure about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I bet you didn't see this.